Well, before we can make this truck road ready, we have to make the exhaust legal, you know, because right now it has no exhaust and it's not a turbo, so it's not really legal. So first of all, we got to take care of that. And major window work, be the next thing. Water pump and oil change, fuel filter change, some tires. Almost that'd be a good start there. If you guys are wondering about the frame on this truck, it's not bad, but at least it's not as bad as some Ford trucks I see. There's the fuel tanks. They've been replaced already a few times. I think they're plastic now. I think that's just a chute over there. There's the exhaust there. See, it's not really legal because it just goes up for the manifold and it's cut very raw in there. There's the transfer case. Never touched it. I don't want to even know if it has oil in it. Look at all that years of chasing cattle. Look at that. All stuck in the transfer case housing. That's good for it. The rear end isn't leaking. Look at that. Huh. Brake lines looking. You can see them way over there. Yeah. Not bad. They're not leaking it. Oh geez, you see the sidewall on that tire? Yep. Pretty bad. So, you can see where the thing broke there. So I'm going to make a little redneck. Oh boy, it really smoked it out there, doesn't it? Oh, that's good for it. It'll keep that frame rust free. So I'm going to do some work under here. Check U-joints. There's a U-joint out on the drive line here. I'm going to look at that too because it squeaks. And go from there. Matter of fact, Katie just messaged me. Katie says hi for y'all. Oh shoot, now I'm talking like her, y'all. Anyway, I'm going to work on this here and see if I can get my old IDI going. I promised you guys about 4 years ago, I think, so I think we're going to turn out good this year. Mitch. Well, I tell you what, it looks funny and needs to be fixed yet, but hey, it's a redneck cheap fix until I can get money to do it right. That sounds a lot better. Not even smoking. She sounds like she's canned out. Alright, so the next thing on the list is get a water pump and fuel filter, oil change, and let's see, get an air filter for it. Tires, brakes. Brakes are not very good. There's no brakes on there right now. You can see it sounds healthy, so look at that thing. No smoke. I don't want to floor it too much, but look at that. beauty. Katie would be proud of me. Not really, because Katie, you should see what she does. It's really funny. I don't know if she'll be making videos or not. I'll have to talk to her. She might. Sweet running truck though for a 93. It's hard to find stuff that's that good shape. Tires are bad. I'm not taking it anywhere. Nah, I need tires. Sweet truck.